is up, my YouTube fam? It is your girl, Toshinae Letrice, and you are watching my channel. Period. Alright, so I'm gonna get right into it with this video. I am about to be waxing myself, okay? I am about to be waxing myself, my whole entire body, hopefully, if I'm not a little punk. I got this in the mail. Unboxing. Had to get that thumbnail real quick. As you guys know, I am going on vacation pretty soon here, and I'm trying to look baby soft. I'm a very hairy girl, so I don't care. I'm not ashamed to say it. I'm hairy. Like, as you can see, my arms are hairy. I've just always been hairy. All my hairy girls out there, go ahead and like this video right now if you know what I mean, because it's a struggle being a hairy woman. I'm nervous. I don't know how this is gonna go, but I have some hope. I don't have a high pain tolerance, so we're gonna see. We're gonna see how this turns out. This is the one I got. It is the Venco Professional Hair Removal Kit. It's got this girl sitting on the front. She looking like she posing for Victoria's Secret, so that's what I'm trying to look like after this. Okay, let me stop playing. I'm trying to see what this shit hitting for. It better be getting me right and tight. It better be getting me smooth and right. It better be getting me on the mic. Okay, it's got a white girl on it. Don't be offended. She is white, so I didn't say anything wrong. This is already doing the most for me, to be honest. That's it. It's cute or whatever. I did hear that the cord was kind of small, so I'm probably gonna have to warm this up and let it get warm and then come back. These are the beads. They're hella small. I thought they were like bigger. These are the beads. I got blue ones, black ones. I like the black because you can't, like, you won't see the hairs. And then I got green ones. And yes, I got this kit because it had green ones. That's pretty much the only factor that made me get this one over all the other ones. Instructions. For faster heating, place the lid on the warmer and turn the temperature to the highest, 240. Okay. We don't need to read all that, okay? How hard can it be? But I'm gonna go plug this up and let it get warm, and then I'll be back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. It's not done. I actually just plugged it up. At first, I was not nervous at all, but now that I'm actually warming up the wax, a bitch is getting nervous because I'm looking at my arms and I'm like, you got a lot of fucking hair. This shit's gonna hurt like a bitch. It's gonna hurt. It's gonna hurt. Like, I really want y'all to see what I'm working with here. I'm sure if you've seen my videos before, you probably noticed, like, bitch, yo, arms hairy as fuck. But yeah, very hairy. And I have sensitive skin, so I don't know. I'm just nervous, you guys. But I ain't no punk. 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 Alright, y'all better really enjoy this video. Give me a thumbs up right now because I'm scared. Give me a thumbs up right now because I'm scared. Yeah, that's why. If you got no other reason to give me a thumbs up, you definitely should like this video because I'm scared and I'm about to do this just for y'all. Okay, y'all. Okay, it's done. It's done. This is it. This is it. It's cute, but I'm nervous. Okay, I'm gonna just go right in, because who has time to be sitting here with nerves? Not me. I don't have time. I am hella nervous about this. As I'm doing it, I'm regretting it. I'm scared. I shouldn't even did that much. This is my first time. What do I think I'm doing? Y'all, this is gonna freaking hurt. Just do it. Just do it. Shia LaBeouf on that ass, okay? Okay, I gotta make it thicker next time, because just do it. Just do it. Just do it. Ah! Oh my god. Just do it. Ah! Just do it. Just do it. Oh, still. Okay. Just do it. Do it. Do it. Oh. The just do it is like actually helping me. So if you think I'm stupid, then you think I'm stupid. But just do it. I gotta practice my little shape. Just do it. Just do it. Ah! I hope it's not too hot. Don't burn me. Let me see. No, it's not too hot. Oh my god. Ah! No. Not my legs. I'm not ready for that. I'm scared, y'all. I'm scared. What the fuck? Why is people doing fireworks? Why is people doing fireworks? Is it a special occasion I don't know about? Just do it. Just do it. Freak. Ow. These little pieces for me that I hate. Ouch. I just got wax all over my damn arms at this point. Like, this is not how this is supposed to look. My arm's supposed to be smooth and shit. That one hurt a lot. This is what my arm's looking like. It's pretty smooth. I think I missed a couple pieces, but overall, very smooth. I'm probably gonna go over it one more time, like up here. But definitely an improvement besides all this freaking wax. I'm gonna wash all this wax off, but hopefully this video was entertaining for you guys and you were just laughing at me the whole time. But ain't shit funny. This shit really hurt, okay? It really hurt. It really hurt. So there's that, but it didn't hurt as bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to waxing the rest of my arms. I'm gonna do my other arm. I don't think I'm gonna do my legs today because I don't want them to grow back before my vacation, which is in like 10 days. So I still wanna wait a little longer to do that. But I'm gonna finish my other arm. Thank you guys for watching this video. Thanks for rocking with me. Give it a like if you enjoyed that video. If you want to see me do more crazy stuff to myself, let me know. Drop a comment down below. And I will see you guys in the next one. Love you, babies.